Steel. All-in-one hanging shower organizer. Features 4 storage shelves and a towel bar to keep bathroom necessities within reach. Accommodates handheld hose shower heads. Designed with space between the shelves to accommodate handheld shower head hoses. Easy installation. Simply place the organizer over the top of the shower head and push the suction cups into place on the wall to set up. No mounting or hardware required. Made with durable steel. Durable steel wire construction with polished chrome finish stands up to everyday use and is easy to clean with mild soap and water. Efficient size. Measures 15.98 by 6.46 by 12.99 to add instant organization in unused space in the shower. Top reviews from the United States. Looks great and have access to handheld shower head. Sturdy and doesn't slip. Suction cups aren't the best for our tile, but the top gripper is strong, the part that grips the shower head. Holds a good amount of product, just missing sponge and razor hooks, so ordered those separately. Has held up well since we've had it for a few months now.